Hello, Matt.
Hi, Jay.
Today we're learning about how to give advice. Hey, you're not looking so good, Matt.
Ugh. What should I do?
Well, I think you should see the doctor, but the good news is our grammar's good. We both used should to give advice.
What?
Let me show you what I mean. So, to give advice, you need two things. First, you need the modal verb should, and then you need to use the plain verb, the infinitive without to, as in, you should go to the doctor.
Okay, so if you give me advice, do I have to do it?
No, you don't have to do it, but it's a good idea.
Okay, so should is a modal verb. What's that?
Well, English has lots of modal verbs like can, could, might.
Must, may.
Correct? But to give advice, we use should.
Does should change?
No, remember that the modal verb always stays the same. Modal verbs can be negative though, we just add a not, like should not, like you should not party tonight.
Okay, and what's the second part?
Well, after should, like any modal verb, you just need a plain verb, an infinitive, like should go, should do, should eat, should sleep, should write.
And what about the other verb? Do I change that one? Like go to goes, eat to eating?
Nope, don't change the verb. Just like should, you just keep it the same.
Okay, that seems straightforward enough. I think I've got it. So, what did we learn?
Well, we learned how to give advice using should plus verb. So, what are you going to do?
Well, I think I should listen to you and go to the doctor.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.